UP650S installation video. Check if the accessories are complete. 1. Open the bed. Remove the master bed. Lower the bed. Next, open the master bed. Lift the wide side of the bed up on one side. Pull both long poles up from the center in turn. Hearing a click means it's fixed. Same operation on both sides of the short game. Ensure that the snaps are fastened without collapsing. Then press the center to locks down horizontally. 2. Bunk bed installation. After fastening the two zippers of the second layer of bedclothes to the bed body, just tighten them in turn as shown in the video. With the zipper zipped all the way around, pull up the zipper with the carabiner slot. Attach the carabiners and attach the Velcro fasteners. This completes the installation of the second bunk bed. 3. Mattress installation. First, install the support tube and fix it. Support tubes in pairs, total 6. Thread the support tube through the bottom fabric cover hole. After the support pipe is installed and fixed, lay the mattress flat on the bunk bed. Velcro cords secured to the bottom of each side of the mattress. Thread the 2 side cords through the fabric holes. Velcro fastening. Secure all the Velcro cords in turn and you're done. The installation of the mattress is now complete. 4. Diaper table installation. Insert the 2 short wrought iron tubes into the diaper table facing the jacket, cloth sleeve and long pole connection, until the shrapnel pops out to indicate that it is in place. Do the same on the other side. Note again, the short bar clips should face outward when the installation is complete. After the clips are installed, attach the side with the zipper to the body of the bed. Finally, flip the diaper table back. Just snap into the edge of the bed and turn. Simply remove the clips when not in use. 5. Shelf installation. Remove the 2 hooks. Attach the hooks to the body of the shelf first. Align the bottom of the hook with the shelf mounting holes. Squeeze the hook until it locks into place. Same operation at both ends. Do not reverse the direction of the hook. Snap the finished shelf into the edge of the bed. The installation of the shelves is now complete. 6. Toy shelf installation. Install the toy support frame first. Attach the support brackets in sequence as shown in the video. Attach the attached support bracket to the musical chimes. Attach the attached support bracket to the musical chimes. After attaching the dolls, then snap the toy holder into the handrail along the bed. One thing to keep in mind, the long end of the base should face inward. This completes the installation of the toy rack.